Welcome back in the shop with Dave. This time, it's time to give the old tow rig some suspension attention. Yeah. Don't forget about your tow rig. These things are cool too. This one's gonna get a big old lift kit on it. It's gonna be great. There it is, brand new 2024 Ford F-250 lifted out of the shop, ready to live its best life. This is pretty cool. Skyjacker is still like coming up with new lift kits and keeping up with the times. Really neat that they're doing the 4-link front suspension on this, get rid of the radius arms, try and get that suspension travel and keep the caster. New shocks that are kind of up for the task of the bigger, heavier truck going down the long washboard roads. We got the big leaf spring pack in the back that should be good for hauling cargo and everything. The end goal for this truck is actually to end up with a camper on it, and it's going to be used for geological work. So this thing's going to spend a ton of time in the dirt, a ton of time getting camped out of, and I think that 4-inch lift is right what it needed. 37-inch tires, 4-inch lift. I didn't have to trim anything. This thing's going to be good to go.